Hi, today in this short video I'd like to show you how to use some of Kendo's templating features. You can get Kendo UI by going to KendoUI.com and clicking on the download button. I've gone ahead and created an MVC4 project. Nothing special about it, but let's go ahead and add Kendo's main files that we're going to need for this demo. Let's start off by just showing Kendo's inline templating functionality. So we come to our index view, we're going to create a div with an ID of inline. Nothing special about making it inline, but now we're going to create a script tag, and here we're going to create an inline object. It's going to have two properties on it. It's going to have a first name, which I'll set to John, and a last name, which I'll set to Smith. The next line we're going to use is the inline templating functionality from Kendo. So I'm going to go create a Kendo.template. Inside of here, I'm going to say hello, # equals. This is where you'll be able to access the values from the object. And #, let's create a space here. Last name. There's that line. And then using jQuery, we're going to select that div tag I just created. Set the HTML of it to inline template, and we're also going to pass in the inline object we just created into the template. Let's fire this up. And hello, John Smith. Now let's take that template and put it in its own script template. We do this by creating a script tag. Let's give it an ID of script template, and we have to give a specific type. What we want to do is text/x-kendo-template. And here's where you take what you just put in your inline template, you can put it right in the middle. Instead of what you just had in the quotes, you just put a selector that grabs the script template and uses its HTML. Go back to our page, let's refresh, and came back. Now let's do something a bit more interesting. Head back to our index view. What we're going to do is we're going to grab some information from Netflix API and put it into a table using Kendo. So I'm going to copy and paste in a couple pieces of code snippets here. First I'm going to paste in the table, which is going to have the cover, a title, and a rating. Next, we're actually going to paste in the script template for this table. And in here, each column is going to have the cover, the title, and the rating. The cover is actually going to display an image coming back from the web service. Also, to help style this up a little bit better, to make it look like a grid, we're going to insert a style tag and change the row to use this class. Alright, let's save that. Now let's create our grid. So on our grid, we're going to bind our grid to the Netflix table. Our data source is going to go off and talk to Netflix and grab all the titles. We're going to insert the Kendo template from the template that we just created above us. Let's save this. Let's go back to our page, and let's refresh. Now you can see that we've gotten all these titles from Netflix. And thanks for watching.